Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dyro here with another options and play video update. So today was kind of like a frustrating morning. Not because the market moved up. Um, it was more so because some of the things that we had been looking at actually had pretty significant moves in the pre-market and took away some of the opportunities during the day. So we had been eyeing Meta. Um, um, for a strangle opportunity just yesterday. So today, the plan was to get into it today, um, and and one of the things that really stood out to me was the magnitude of the level it just slid into, right? So over the last 3 months, this 155, 156 area has been huge. And what's great about this level is that it really just hasn't spent a whole ton of time there, right? When it's hit it, it's ricocheted off of it, really with like a minimum move of 12 plus points in every single instance. And what's interesting too is that those moves happened in a matter of days, really, like less than a week in each case, right? So hit it, huge move. Hit it, huge move. Didn't quite get down there. I think the low was 157, but close enough. Huge move. Hit it, huge move, right? So when it got down to 156 area yesterday, I was like, okay, pattern last 3 months has been if it holds, it ricochets higher. If this is the one time where it actually starts to break, well, pent up move through 3 months support, it's probably gonna be pretty significant, right? So it wasn't a specific catalyst for this type of setup for a volatility strategy. It was just a really interesting technical pattern, right? And I really love these setups where you can kind of like target specific a specific stock over like maybe like a shorter time frame where you have a pretty good conviction level that there could be a substantial move relatively quickly, right? So the unfortunate thing with Meta is that it ended up gapping up like $8-9 today, and it really took the trade away. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to keep looking at it, right? Because if it gets back down to that level again, well, as long as the pattern holds, maybe we can revisit it. So, sometimes these types of things set up outside of events. I mean, having an earnings or major catalyst could be nice because it could really lead to like a even quicker move, an even sharper move. But you don't always need catalysts for straddles or strangles. Sometimes like the patterns just set up on their own, and you can look at contracts maybe like a couple weeks out for a big move, especially if the chart dictates that. Okay, so keep an eye out because these I feel like these patterns are starting to shape up a little bit more frequently, especially now that we've gotten this pretty big pullback across the market. All right. Um, so if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading these types of volatility setups, please follow up for the link with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.